what you can do to improve your credit score in as little as 1 to 3 months. Number one, make sure that you start paying your credit cards on time. Make sure that if you have a balance on your credit cards of, let's say, $1,000, make sure that you have a balance of about 300. Make sure that all of your credit cards are at 30% debt or less. Be an authorized user in somebody else's credit card. It just means that you are now have inherited somebody else's credit history. You now have that 5, 10, 15-year credit history of paying on time. You might be added to a credit card that has a $10, $15, $20,000 credit limit. That will boost your credit score. Don't be applying to a bunch of credit cards, because all those inquiries will definitely affect. Another thing that you can do is go to your local bank and apply for a secured credit card. A secured credit card means that they're going to lend you and issue you a credit card based on what you deposit. But that will definitely help you build some credit history. Just remember that the better the credit score is, the better the interest rate you're going to get when you finally get approved to buy a house. The lower your credit, the greater the risk a bank is going to feel that you are. So typically, you can get a loan with as little as a 580 score. However, they may require a bigger down payment. One of the $1 million questions that I get asked is, Ulysses, what are the rates? What are the rates right now? And it honestly depends on you. It depends on your debt. It's not how much you make, but how much do you get to keep at the end of the month? What are your debts? Make sure you start being mindful of how you spend and where you spend your money. I see a lot of people with $700 car payments, 1,000 plus car payments, and their rent is $1,400. I'm like, man, we as Latinos, Hispanics, we got to do a better job at prioritizing where our money goes. Are you acquiring assets or are you acquiring liabilities? A car is a liability. Real estate will go up in value no matter what. So for more home buyer tips, how to build equity, how to purchase 3 homes in 3 years, how to buy your first investment property, hit me up.